We would like to share a few characteristics which make a good SAP consultant. Listening. A good consultant is always willing to listen patiently in order to properly understand the issue being put forward.
Understanding. Being able to not just listen but properly understand, if required, by putting yourself in the shoes of the other person, the situation and issues.
Communication. Being able to understand, process and then communicate, read or write, in a slow and properly understandable manner, with the other partner about the issues. Solution design. Once the issue is properly understood, being able to design a solution which is robust, stable, practical and considers all possible areas of deployment.
Quality-oriented. It is not sufficient to just get the job done. A good consultant always ensures that a quality product or solution is delivered. Quality-oriented approach is a part of attitude which needs to be developed. Domain knowledge. Good technical knowledge is not sufficient. A good consultant always develops deep understanding of the business processes in order to be a partner with the customer.
Team player. A good consultant knows that being a good team player would help in achieving major and sustainable success than being an individual achiever. A good consultant is willing to share knowledge or experience or expertise. Willingness to learn. A good consultant knows that the learning never stops. One must always be open and aware about the possibilities to learn new skills.